Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to open a many to one field from a tree view. So we all know that we can easily click and open a many to one field from a form view. So let's see how we can do the same from the tree view. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 12 community edition, and the same thing can be done in all the Odoo versions. Like if you are using enterprise or community, you can still follow the same procedure. So I'll go to the hospital. So we have already installed the hospital module that we have developed in the database. So if I go to the patients menu, and here we have got the content view, and if I go to the list view, and if I open the form view, here you can see we have got a many to one field called doctor. So right now, okay, I think right now it's not clickable as I have specified no options. So if I activate the debug mode, so by using the debug mode extension I will activate the debug mode, or you can just activate the debug mode by going into the settings. So as I have activated the debug mode, I will go to the edit view form, and if I search for the field doctor ID, so here you can see we have given options. So I'll just remove the attributes that we have already given, so that the field will be visible always. So right now the field is not clickable as we have given no open equal to true here. So what I will do, I'll just remove the attribute that we have given here, and I will just reload the screen. So as the screen is reloaded, you can see the field, the doctor, which is a many to one field, is clickable. So I can just click on open the corresponding doctor record. So if I click on the edit button, and if I place the mouse over the corresponding field, you can see the technical name of the field is doctor ID and type is many to one. So from the form view we can just click and open the corresponding record like this. But let's see whether we can do the same from the tree view. So if I go to the tree view, and if I remove the default filter, here you can see the doctor field is not here. So I'll just click on edit view list, and I'll add the field here, that is doctor ID. So as we don't have the field inside the list view, I just add the field here inside the tree view by changing the existing field, and I will save it. And if I reload the screen, and if I remove that default filter, you can see we have got the doctor field here. But if I click on this field, you can see we are getting the corresponding form view. So let's take a case where we need to open the corresponding record from the tree view itself, as it is working inside the form view. So right now if we click anywhere, the corresponding record is getting opened in the form view. So let's assume, or let's take a case where we have to open the corresponding record from the tree view itself. So for that you have got a widget. So I'm not sure whether it will be useful for someone, and I didn't get the use case of how it will be coming to be useful. So still I'm sharing this because it might be helpful for someone. So for this, to open the corresponding record from here, we have to add a widget to the corresponding field. So right now I'm not going into the code or going into the PyCharm to develop this. I'll just show you how can we achieve it from the front end itself by editing the list view. So same thing you can do from the code also. So I'll go to the edit view list, and if I go here, you can see this is the corresponding field. So along with the corresponding field we have to add a widget. So if you are developing from the code, you can just add this widget along with the field definition. So I'll add widget equal to, this is a new widget, you can give the name as many to one button. So I'll give the widget as widget many to one button. So what I have done is, along with the field name, also along with the corresponding many to one field, I have given the widget many to one button. So this is an existing widget in the Odoo itself, so don't worry about that. So field name equal to doctor ID, which is specified, and I have given the widget many to one button. So I'll click on the save button. So there is no any errors, and I will refresh the view so that the changes will get affected. So you can see we got the corresponding tree view, and here you can see the color of the record itself changed. So right now if I click on here, you can see we are getting the form view of the patients. And if I go back to the tree view, and if I click on this VVV, we can see the doctor record has been getting opened. You can see the model name is hospital.doctor. So this is how you can open a many to one field from the tree view. So what you have to do is that you have to simply give widget many to one button like this. So right now I have illustrated the same from the front end, because I think it will be better for saving the time and to express the thing in shortest time. So if I go to the edit view list, here you can see what I have given is widget many to one button. So once you give this, the corresponding many to one field will become clickable in the tree view. So if I click on here, you can see we are getting the corresponding record. So that's all about this video, and if you like the video, please do click the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and to refer the channel with your Odoo friends. So that's it. Thank you.